Keeping the freight rail network safe is a constant job, one that combines the expertise of rail employees with the power of advanced technology. Did you know that across the North American rail network, there are thousands of sensors positioned along the track? They may not look like much, but these automated systems constantly check the condition of trains as they pass, without slowing them down. When a Wayside sensor detects a potential issue, it sends precise information to employees, pinpointing the exact rail car and the precise component on the rail car. These highly skilled railroaders then use their training and judgment to decide the safest next step. Wayside sensors provide constant, real-time monitoring, helping crews spot issues earlier and keep an already safe rail network even safer. Here are the most common types of Wayside sensors. Hot box detectors, also known as hot bearing sensors, use infrared heat sensors to measure the temperature of each wheel bearing as a train rolls by. Wheel temperature detectors check whether wheels are at the right temperature. Elevated temperatures indicate possible sticking brakes. Cold temperatures indicate that brakes haven't applied. Some sensors don't look for heat, they listen. These acoustic sensors detect unusual sound patterns that signal internal bearing damage before a bearing overheats. Wheel impact load detectors are attached to the rail and measure how much force each wheel applies as it rolls past. Wheel profile detectors use lasers and cameras to measure wheel wear and shape. Together, these and other detectors help rail employees find problems earlier, respond faster, and keep freight rail moving safely.